Want to know how to print boundary elements of a matrix in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So I have this short and sweet code right here that is of 14 lines. So I'm just going to show you how it works and how you can use it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Imagine a 2D array of numbers. The boundary elements are the first row, last row, and the middle column, and last column. We loop through each element to check if it's on boundary and simply print it. So we have used nested loops right here, and with that we have also used an if statement honor that nested loop. So you can just simply copy up this code and modify it as you want. So this is a perfect code for beginners learning about arrays, loops, and conditions. So this is a well utilization of how arrays and loops work on your matrix boundaries, and you can just simply print it. So right here you can see we have this printed in just like this, and there you go, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.